Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Michael from Dos Turbos. Today we're going to be installing the AC cabin air filter on the Kia Stinger. So I just got it in the mail today from Amazon, some carbon activated cabin air filter. So unpack this real quick. All right. So this is the one I got. It was super cheap. It was like $13, and it's activated by carbon, so it's supposed to capture polluting particles, absorb gases and odors, prevent formation of bacteria, and so should help with smell inside the vehicle and like filtering out those gases and stuff, keeping them out of your cabin. It's recommended to replace this every 12,000 miles, and this is a common type of pollutants that it keeps out: allergens, viruses, bacteria, mold, fine dust, smoke, and all that. So we're gonna be trying this brand out and see how good it is. So I'm gonna be installing this right in the cabin right there, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get this ready for installation. I'll lower this cabin right here. Take this out. The manuals and everything in it. Alright, so you just gotta take this tab out right here. Let me put this light in here. Alright. So you gotta take this tab out. So there you go. Just twist it, take it out. Same thing on the other side. Twist it, take it out. And then that should be good enough for that portion. So now there's gonna be a little arm on the side right here, right there. This right here, you got to take it out too. So what I did is, let me put the camera to the side. Okay, so what I did is, let me put some light. So I put this up a little bit, push on the tab, and there you go. You just take it out and it'll drop. It'll drop just like that. So let me show you guys in here. So in here, so in here, you're just gonna go in here and look for this tab up here. So there's this tab right here. You just press up on it and you just open it just like that. And this is your cabin air filter right here. So you just grab that thing, take it out, so you can see. Oh, this thing is dirty. Look at that. They put some light on it. This thing is dirty. So you just take this out and replace it. So as you can see, this is how I took it out, like that. You can see the arrow for airflow down. So this is how it goes, because the air is coming from up, going down. So I'm gonna just take a new one out the box. Just like that. You open this bag right here, and alright, should go just like this. Now this one's quite, so you should be just able to put it in here. It has this little tab on it. I don't know what that shit's for, but it's like this little tab in it. Let me see. According to the instructions, click the filter. Alright, so he just said close it like that. So go ahead and put this back right here, like where it belongs. Somewhere over there. Completely came out for some reason. Okay, so there's 2 holes in there. Just put that thing back. Oh my god. And you just go place it back in, and it should be good to go. So now I'm just gonna go ahead. Let me double check I put it the right way. Okay, airflow going now. Okay, we're good. Alright, so pull this up, pull the little arm on the side again, up, clicks right in, put the little things on the holes on the sides, and we should be good to go. The other one went. Okay, right here. Let's put that thing back in, like that. Alright, that's gonna be it for this. It's kind of hot in this garage, so that is replacement for cabin air filter. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe. There's more to come. Next I'm gonna be installing, next thing coming in next week is gonna be spacers for the factory rims, because you know, gotta fix that fitment because they're kind of like in. I just want them to be flush, so that's coming next. I bought 20 millimeters spacers, so that's gonna be next on the channel. So again guys, don't forget to like, subscribe for more, and thank you for being here. I'll see you in the next one.